I'm gonna shoot a little tutorial here on how to reinstall your or remove your pillars. They got these two little ears. If you take these off your Lincoln, they fit down in those holes, see, like so. And they got these two clips that just line up with those holes, see? So you line them up and they just snap like that. And the reverse is you just grab, stick your finger in here where the clip is, and then just pull it off. It's the reverse of installing. It's installation and removal. They just pull off. These A-pillars do. Then you put your weather stripping, just knocks on there. Need to get new weather stripping for the driver door. It should have while I was out earlier. All right, you got one new seat in. Look at that, perfect. Much better than that. Yeah. All righty. That's how you do an A-pillar in a Lincoln car. They just, this one, someone had been there before. Clip was bent. There's the old passenger seat. You got coming apart. Bottom broke down. Almost saved the headrest, that plastic seat back. And other salvageable parts before I get rid of these, but that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.